Over the course of 13 shorts, I've made a number of Keyblade designs. And now, I'm compiling them into a long-form video. Enjoy. Full transparency, I only ever played Birth by Sleep, which is why I used that version of Simple and Clean. Unfortunately for this Keyblade video, OBS Studios decided it wasn't going to record over an hour's worth of work. So there's going to be a few cuts and then a pretty big jump at the end. Out of all of the ones I've done so far, Traits of the Heart does have the simplest design, but I think the Soul Color RGB gamer lights make up for it. Let me know what you guys think. Hey, this one's actually only a step away from being canonically possible. World had that Final Fantasy crossover that even had a Mugala in it. I don't even think I knew the crossover was going to happen, so when I started the quest and saw a Mugala, I thought it was going to be Kingdom Hearts. I mean, imagine having Oathkeeper and Oblivion as a dual sword set, or having a specially modified Kingdom Key sword and shield set that worked like Geralt's, where your shield was magic. Apparently my recording software decided it didn't want to do its job. So, unfortunately, you're not going to get to see me actually making Age of Stars. By the time I realized it wasn't recording, I had done everything but the keychain. At least it kinda looks cool. Better than the first Elden Ring Keyblade I did. This took close to 7 hours to make. Please like and subscribe.